Hi, my name is Renan from Group 11, and this is a video showcasing our final project for the full stack web development class. We decided to make a movie search website in React with a favorites database using MongoDB Atlas, and as per the requirements, Firebase authentication to manage user accounts and login. In this video, I'll be showcasing the features of our app, CineSearch. We'll start by creating an account, clicking the sign up button. Here the website will ask us for some information so that it can create our account, such as first and last name, email, password, and first repeater password. The user doesn't provide certain information or provides incorrect information. An alert card is displayed, letting the user know what happened. So for this presentation, I'm going to go ahead and create a new account with the app. And then let's say, for example, I enter a mismatched password. So for example, first line and second lines don't match. If I click sign up, I get an error saying that the passwords don't match. And likewise, if I enter a very weak password, even though it matches, I also get an error saying that the password is too weak. So let's go ahead and enter a bit more secure password. Go ahead and sign up. Perfect. So now that we're signed up, that takes us back to the home screen, where the app welcomes us with our username that we provided. And that gives us access to two features of the app, which is the search bar and the account settings button. With the search bar, we can search for movies and other things and get details on them. With the account settings button, we can access our profile settings, our favorites page, and we can log out from the app. Let's start by going into the profile page. Here it shows us the email that our account is tied to and our username, allowing us to change it. And it also allows us to reset our password through a password reset email. So if I go here, for example, I change it to Brennan Cute, and I update. I get an alert card saying my username was successfully updated. If I return home, you can see the new username. Also, to showcase the password reset functionality, since I'm already logged in, if I want to reset my password, all I have to do is click this button. I will then be sent an email. Takes a few seconds. Here we go. To reset my password. And then clicking on this link, I can reset the password for the app. But now let's say I forgot my password. So I'm not signed in. So by going to the login page, there is a button that says forgot password. If I click here, the app will ask, what's the email associated with my account? So let me go here and delete this email so you can see. I'm going to go ahead and enter the email associated with the account that I had. And then just to show, this also has detection for if I enter like an invalid email, it will let me know. Or if I enter an email which doesn't have an account with this, it will say that the email address was not found. But if I go now and enter the correct email, you can see I get the success message, and then I get the new email from Firebase, which allows me to reset my password. So I can go ahead and enter a new password here. I can save, and then now my password has been changed. I can use this password to sign in. Perfect. So let's go ahead and log in with our new password. Perfect. Now let's show a little bit of the search functionality. So for example, I can search for Avengers. It will give me a list of movies with Avengers in their title, their user score, release date, overview, and genres. If I click on it, it takes me to the movie details page, which shows more information about the movie, like runtime and budget, the full overview, and then I can also see a trailer for the movie. This page also allows me to add a movie as a favorite. So if I go to the favorites page right now, you can see I don't have any favorites. If I click this button and I go back there, you can see Infinity War is added to my favorites list. If I go back, I can click on another movie, add this one to the favorites, and it shows up here as well. And then if I remove one of them and I go back there, you can see now that movie is removed from the list. I don't have any favorites at the moment. Another functionality we added to the app is that if, let's say, I know the URL for a certain thing I'm not supposed to access without being logged in, let's say I log out and then I try to access that movie, the app will instead send me to the login page. And then only after I successfully log in, the app will automatically redirect me to the place I was trying to go, which was the Infinity War page. Another thing we made sure in our app was that every page is responsive and works well regardless of screen size. This is true for our details page, for our search page. It's able to scale with screen size, as well as any other page like the favorites page and the profile page. So that's it for our showcase. Thank you so much for watching.